Welcome to the Anti-Back Pain Blueprint. We're here to help you reclaim your spine, one movement at a time. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Longevity Series, Living a Long and Active Life.
Chapter 1. The Hidden Culprits of Back Pain. The most common causes of chronic back discomfort are often overlooked, hiding in plain sight. Let's address the fragile vase myth. Back pain is often a signal of insufficiency, not injury. Your spine isn't broken, it's simply unsupported. The solution is to build the supportive structures around it. The core problem is that much of the blanket advice for back pain fails, often leading to more frustration. The real fix lies in understanding the relationship between proper core training and back recovery. Why does your back hurt? The answer is often not what you expect, and the path to fixing it is closer than you might think. Weak glutes are silent saboteurs. They fail to stabilize the pelvis, forcing the lower back to overcompensate. This creates a cycle of strain, tightness, and discomfort. If your glutes are dormant, your lower back is doing their job at a steep cost. The glute-back connection is a domino effect. Weak glutes lead to an overworked spine, which results in lumbar pain, strengthen the foundation, and the whole structure stabilizes. The glute-spine link. Your glutes are your most powerful muscles. When they are dormant, your back pays the price. Activating them is the essential first step of your blueprint. A weak core is the missing invisible corset. Your core is a 360-degree system designed to protect and stabilize your spine. A weak core transfers more stress to discs and ligaments. Calisthenics helps build functional strength from the inside out. Our core blueprint goes beyond just planks. Random crunches can increase spinal compression. What works is re-engineering your core to brace, transfer force, and protect your spine under real conditions. The goal is a bulletproof spine. Building your invisible corset means your core training doesn't just look good. It creates a living, breathing support system that shields your spine every moment of every day. Tight hips are the unseen restriction. They pull your pelvis into unnatural positions. This tightens the hip flexors, compressing the lower back discs and straining the facet joints, leading to a persistent low-grade ache. The hip-back connection shows that restricted hip mobility leads to hip-back compensation and, finally, lower back compensation. Restoring hip mobility is non-negotiable for lasting back health. Tight hips are not a life sentence. With targeted mobility work, you can unlock your range of motion, reduce spinal strain, and unlock your relief, starting today. Chapter 2. The Anti-Back Pain Blueprint. This is a proven, structured strategy to move from chronic pain to lasting strength and stability. This is a step-by-step journey from pain to strength. This blueprint is not theory. It is a battle-tested strategy refined through over 8 years of experience with chronic pain. The core of the blueprint focuses on core training for back pain relief. You will learn toe train without triggering pain, understand the often backwards conventional wisdom, and apply the right sequence to skyrocket your relief. This blueprint is your map for a pain-free spine. The journey is not complicated, but achieving freedom from pain requires the right strategy. Learn how to bulletproof your spine with calisthenics, whether you are a cyclist with tight hip flexors, a powerlifter needing deep stability, or an office worker overcoming sedentary postures. This strategy brings real people real relief. The creator of this blueprint overcame over 8 years of chronic pain and spinal degeneration using this exact method. Thousands of students worldwide are now on the same path to freedom. As one blueprint student, Andy Toth, puts it, "I used to treat my back like a fragile vase. Now, I'm bulletproof." This blueprint works because it targets the root causes, not just the symptoms. Chapter 3. Taking action. Knowledge without action is just noise. We provide you with exactly what to do next to build a stronger, more resilient spine. Your next steps involve understanding your spinal architecture, looking beyond the back to strengthen the surrounding support system, and embracing your body weight with calisthenics. It's time to reclaim your strength and reclaim your life. Download the free Core Blueprint today to learn pain-free training methods and bulletproof your spine. Your journey to a pain-free and powerful spine starts now.